Not even the Romans were out in this kind of weather. It's raining all around us, as you can see, but we're under the trees, where it's nice and safe and dry.
Yep,
So,
and I'm gonna stay here until it stops raining.
just like the Romans did,
Yeah.
because through Vikings we don't detect in the rain.
No, it's not worth it. You get dirty and
Eesh.
we're pretty cute, so we start to melt. Stuff
That's
like that.
true. Sugary cute.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna, maybe I have an idea. Maybe
An
a
idea?
beer.
A beer?
A beer.
That's a wunderbar idea, like the Germans would say.
Yeah.
Wunderschön. And
I always have a beer in my bag. Ah. Yep.
where did that come from? Yes. And yeah, we're back at the same place as yesterday. When the rain stops, we're gonna head out onto these fields and then the corn fields and run around there and have fun. And I will be just picking up Roman, right, left, forehand, backhand, boom, boom, boom.
Oh yeah, exactly. Forehand and backhand. Well, this didn't take long.
No.
It's raining still a little bit.
It's just what I told you earlier. It's exactly like fishing. After the rain, the fishes come out to eat, they're hungry, the silver rises to the surface, and then you just go and pick it out.
But it's still raining.
Yeah, shh.
Look at that.
Sure looks like silver to me.
Yeah, it's definitely silver.
Yes, I can see
It's a beauty.
an ugly guy there.
It's a beauty.
Yes.
One Bayern.
Bayern money.
It's the Max Koenig von Bayern.
1808. That's a couple hundred years ago. Lots of rain has passed over this field since. That's a beautiful, beautiful garden.
Yeah, or was it Max something?
Whoa. Where did that come from?
You know that?
Sure, was a pleasant surprise. One more look, it's so shiny. Yes.
Silver in the rain.
Max Joseph Koenig von Bayern, Maximilian, King of Bayern. Cheers!
I'm not jealous at all.
You'll get the next silver, the next gold. Remember gold? That's double shots.
Double shots at least. Last time it went almost the whole bottle.
Yes.
It didn't even take 2 minutes. Emil was right, it's my turn now.
We need the fish rising up to the surface, like I told you.
I just
Wow, that's beautiful.
and silver indeed. A little bit smaller than Emil's,
Looks older as well.
but definitely I think it's a kreutzer.
This is turning out to be a great day.
I'm gonna put some water on it. Yeah, it's the rain.
We've been out for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Two silver. Zwei Silber. Ein, zwei, drei, vier, fünf, right?
Yeah.
I speak a bit German. What will be revealed?
1790 something. Oh shit. Don't want to scrub it too much. It's so fragile. I don't know what coin it is. It doesn't. But probably a kreutzer.
Yeah,
One of the small ones.
Yeah, we're getting experts on kreutzers. Mine was a 6 kreutzer.
Yeah, this is 1797 maybe.
I understand that's a few years earlier, so maybe same value, smaller coin. You know, with the inflation and stuff going on.
My 7th silver coin from this field. And you have third.
Turning out to be a pretty decent field.
And this is my Jalovina shot.
Can you see the smile on his face? It's not because of the coin, it's because of the booze.
Getting some warmth up.
That sure is good.
Warming my heart at least. It's not so cold here, but it's raining a little bit, so that's
Keep
fine.
it close to your heart.
Yeah.
There it goes, with all the other goodies.
I have my bag full of booze.
True Vikings knows how to do this.
Yes.
It's at like days like this that normal metal detectors would go home, but no.
Not true Vikings.
Not true Vikings.
10 minutes of detecting. Emil is yelling silver again. Let's see. He sounded happy.
Turns out to be the best day. It's a good day.
A big silver again.
Yes.
No way.
Yeah, it's silver, alright.
Yeah, definitely silver.
What's the year? Something 36. Let's see, 3,936. It's from the future.
What?
Yeah, something. Okay, what's that? 36?
36 at least.
I don't think it's from the future.
Really?
No. It's not the silver color on this side.
On that side it's pretty.
Fake silver.
1736.
1736?
I think it's 17 on that side.
Makes more sense then. From the future.
Yeah. 1736. You don't find those in Finland every day, silvers from that age.
A few decades back with every coin. First one was 1808.
08.
Next one 1790, 80.
Something.
1736.
And that means, again, that we're getting drunk tonight. With this pace at least. Yesterday we only found 2 silvers in how many hours? 5-6 hours.
Yeah.
And today 3 silvers in 10 minutes.
Yeah, about
15 minutes.
Wow.
15 minutes maybe because we're talking so much shit.
It's part of the game. Just picked up the 3 silvers here and I was thinking to myself that it would be damn nice if the rest of the cornfield was gone and we could go there and search for silver and gold, but
on this side.
And then just when I had that thought, the tractors came around the corner and everything gets removed. Thank you, farmers.
We're still here in the rain. I found this big, beautiful Christian pendant, I guess it is. There's some church on this side, some people on this side, a child in the middle, probably baby Jesus. Yeah, definitely baby Jesus on this side.
Small piece of silver with the inscription LH. What does LH stand for? Someone's initials? Don't even know. It's from a spoon or from something else. Could be anything. Lots of silvers here. Yeah, maybe some of that Jalovina. Would be really nice. Joel! Joel! Jalovina! Jalovina! Do you know any guy called LH?
Silver spoon.
Is it a spoon?
Small.
It's a very small one.
Maybe.
Could be. Let's call it a silver spoon.
Yeah, I think so. It's a really small
children's spoons.
Yeah. Ah, well, 5th silver.
Well, yeah, let's deserve it. It's blah, can't speak anymore. It's worth the shot.
Silver spoon. I knew it. There should be plenty of more silver on this field.
Cheers.
Cheers. Two.
First one was so small. I felt like I needed it.
Okay. I don't know if a silver spoon is that great.
Well, you find something better then.
I'm gonna take the silver kreutzers, the bigger one. The
Me
bigger
too.
one.
I'm going for the gold kreutzer.
Yeah, that one too. But of course, I might have it there. And I have something good. I hope it looks silvery. One of these little shits again? I think so. Oh, it's really hard work today.
I've been digging up these nice things.
Awesome.
This makes me excited.
Ah, well, look at this. I only find these little unrecognizable silvers, but it's definitely a silver coin. Maybe one of the small kreutzers again. Probably.
This.
It has a crown at least on it.
Yeah,
You
we've
can
been
see
finding
this
this a lot.
little crown.
We don't know how the other silvers look like. It's just not a kreutzer. So
Yeah.
everything is a kreutzer to us.
This might be the hotspot for these little shits. But what do you... I got here?
Oh yes, almost forgot.
Almost forgot this.
That's
Beautiful.
the best part.
Look, there's a fly in it.
Ah, that's okay.
That's a good way to die.
Extra nutrition.
I got a good way to die
Mm.
in one of the...
If it would be a fly, yes.
Yeah. Well, many Finnish people might have died in this liquid also.
Mm. I'll keep this. Jo's been picking up those silvers one after each other. Let's see what I have here. I pinpointed already, it's somewhere on the surface. That's a decent signal. That one? Oh, just a piece of iron.
Emil is taking a break, just drinking coffee and chatting to girls while I'm digging up these beautiful Jesus pendants again. I can't have a break now. I know there's gold somewhere here. Emil is gonna be so jealous when I find it.
Well, it stopped raining, so that's good. And Jarl is over there. He has some obsession with the pylons. He believes they spawn silver or something. I keep telling him that those pylons weren't there in the Roman times, but he thinks they were, and that the Romans were around them or something. Oh, yeah, that's his tactic today. I don't think it will pay off. And here, let's turn this on. Something is in this. No? On this side? Yeah, shall... What? Where did it go? Where did it go? Hi. Come back. I wasn't imagining that. Was I? Let's see if it's still on. Let's try to... Sometimes it plays tricks and you... I dropped it. What? What's that? Some crap. Was it really this one? Yes, it was. Let me check one more time. But the signal was way better than that. Yeah. What's that one? That surprised me a bit.
And I have this one of these little shits again. In a better condition this time. You can actually see something on this one. Oh yeah. This is one of the nicest little shits I have got. Beautiful. One Kreutzer 1843.
Not bad, not bad. May I?
You can have a look.
Oh,
It's
thank you.
It's prettier than the silver spoon that you got. And the fly is still having fun.
Fire.
Skål!
Let's go. Pretty. Is that silver that my eyes see? It's round, silverish. Ah, it's not a coin, but sure looks like silver to me. Yeah, it's a silver plate at the bottom. Sure enough. Looking good. With branch or yeah, flower maybe? Yeah, I guess it's a flower. It's very pretty. Yeah, I don't think silver plated buttons will give me the yellow vena. That made me happy. I get an excellent signal here. Let's dig it up together. Over there. Ground is so soft and nice. Oh yeah. Let's take a few shovels like that. Turn on the pinpointer. Nothing. Something there? Yes? Here? Is it that? Oh no. Just a piece of copper? I guess. Could be anything.
Emil is still FaceTiming over there while I'm doing all the work. This time I found the dog Aisha, 2000 to 2004. Didn't find the dog though, but the dog tag. Aisha. Emil was yelling gold. He looks happy.
Lucrative, look at it.
That looks pretty nice.
Well, place your bet now. What do you think? Let's check. Is it that?
Difficult to say.
Yes, it's metallic.
Could be
do I
a...
get there to open it? What if it is gold?
I don't know.
Okay, here we go. Still looking okay. It's really small. Yes, that's shiny. Very shiny. It's earpiece maybe?
Looks something like that. Difficult to say.
Could be gold. Maybe there's more of it. Thought I had a better signal than this. Not sure. Could be gold. It's a piece of jewelry. What do you think?
It has some... I don't know, it's so bright.
Yeah, some colors are a bit weird.
Yeah,
I'll
probably
pour some water
gold
on it.
plated or something.
But some of
The color is
some of the colors have
faded.
faded
So,
a bit.
yeah,
With the dark
yeah.
black. Maybe
I
it's
would
just
say gold plated,
plated.
yeah.
Wow, that's very nice.
Yeah,
I'll take that.
pretty was closest to gold we have got.
In Germany.
Yeah.
Oh boy, I got something nice again. How many do we have today?
This is the 7th.
That's an old one. Yes.
This could be a hammered.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It seems a bit similar to the first one I found.
Oh, yeah.
It's from the 1700s. I got some beautiful condition. It says garage 17 something 3. So 1700s. It's a nice shield with a couple lions, I think. Could it be? Other side is completely worn. There's some text in the corner.
Beautiful.
Once again, this is a really good silver field. But where's the gold ones?
They're somewhere here.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Definitely. So, do you want to drive today or?
Well, guess it's my turn to drive home, so do you want to have my yellow vina shot?
I can take it.
Yeah, I'm sure. I'm sure. I promise to drive.
The silver feeling is not that good, but yellow vina feeling is even better.
At least someone get the nice stuff. By that I mean the yellow vina.
Yeah, silver.
Yeah.
Too many of
But
those.
rules are rules, we have to follow them. Yeah, so hey, no need to say thank you for that.
Oh, thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah. Alright.